just a very quick thing to thank you for watching and supporting my little channel. It really does mean a lot to me. I can't tell you how much it does. It's funny, I thought that COVID might bring people together a bit more, but it hasn't. It hasn't at all. People seem more distant and less likely to be close to people than they were. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But really, thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, you specifically, I don't know if I'd be doing this odd little adventure. It's like having you with me, and I do like that a lot, because it's just me on the boat, and it's a bit strange because I'm such a social animal that I was not expecting to be on a boat by myself, but I am, and I do like it a lot. But it's really, really good to have you guys with me on this funny little adventure that I'm on. So again, thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to get on with 2023. I'm gonna be here in Nice for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go up and down the coast for a bit because it's so beautiful in the south of France. If you have never been to the south of France, or even France, Paris is fantastic. I'm telling you, this country has got it down. They're so chill, they're so friendly, and I just freaking love it here. But probably in a couple of months, I'm gonna take the boat out. I'm probably going to Malta. Not 100% yet, but that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, thanks again. Have a really good 2023, and I'll see you again soon.